sometimes and I can't seem to find a light.
Repeat the question now.
You said, see if you see somebody
Bus stop.
Bus stop.
I mean, no. Yeah. And then what did I say? Don't they know? Then you said to me, say,
if you never used to not
never
drive.
used to not drive. And I hope.
The bus stop and hope.
You see somebody.
Somebody a pass so I drive where you know.
Yes. Yeah, regular. I remember even me and you out at the bus stop here one day. Who did come at and do?
Me and you?
Yeah. Some out I saw. And one busman where you didn't know did stop and pick you up. Yes. Mr. First time and the name?
Yeah, Mr. First time.
I don't remember.
Mr.
But
First time.
he did stop and pick you up. And we did so happy because we couldn't get no bus. And everybody had tear for going and bus them from Apple Tree. So yeah, regularly. But now, me not drive and look, go out and move and say.
No, me not say if you go out there.
Wait there, I see me on that. Me pick up. No. You see, if me there in a, me commute to work now, and me commute to work, then we will see persons who work at the same place and give them a lift. And that is very highly unlikely coming to give people lift. That is the truth, because I am afraid. Afraid. You see, at night time, like if me come home from work at night time, me not give people lift.
If I choose me, I always find myself a bus stop. I look for see if I see nobody where you know when anybody said drive.
So now you repay a favor and look and help out people. That's great, Raleigh. That's great. You have a good heart, you know? You have a good heart. I have a good heart too, but my one fearful too.
You're not going to pick up people who you don't know.
No, even people who know. Even people you know them hurt you. So I'm sorry if you see me I go about my business. Me can't pick out how much persons me I go actually stop for. Like Andrea, work at KFC. Definitely I go pick up Andrea. Me can't actually pick pan my hand how much persons me I go actually stop for. Because the truth is, it's a bad habit. It is a good thing, but we're not living in a society where we reward goodness like that, because kindness like that. Because the truth is, people wicked. The heart of men are desperately wicked. So you cannot say, alright then, oh, wait, there's Simone that. Let me pick up Simone because me and Simone are going to the same place. Or Simone are go a whole of us, so me will carry her. But at the same time, Simone, you remember when me come from Versace and we did see one lady with the baby in a rain and we did want pick her up and we did afraid slow down me and Hiffy because you don't know. You don't know. That is the reality of it. You don't know. You don't want to put yourself and your child in a situation like that, because you have your child like here, you know, and bam, you go stop and pick up somebody.
You'll have gun.
Or by the time you forgot let him off, somebody pull up to you. I'm afraid. I'm not telling a lie. I don't kind of want to be kind, but I'm afraid. You're rough, man. It's a difficult task. But you see, really have a moral compass where we're up there, you know, we're up there, sir.
Oh man, I normally on a big man level, drive and like,
I know.
Drive and look. So if you see nobody you know from which part you come from.
If you carry them back down with you. Yeah.
Let me tell you.
Don't call a name.
Yeah, I don't call a name, man. I go, then we need a drive. Each time I go draw money a Guardian at town, I tell you, say, when I walk out of a Guardian, and youth I know from village, drive, and wind down the window and say, really want to go on. That's it.
Yeah, I remember you tell me that story there.
That's it. Man, I say, I'm living in a town. I'm living near the each time I can live here.
Straight. You know, I always wonder where rich people I don't know. Like when I do something, I wonder where rich people I don't know. Me always wonder rich people I don't know, because I know when me reach where me I go do. For real. Like me, you know, back and forth from morning, I do all these run up and down, all these stops. You know? Mundane task. But what rich people I do? Like, are they on a yacht? Huh? Rich people just freestyle every day, so They just freestyle. You think rich people just freestyle every day?
I'm gonna put a record on me.
And that, but just I wonder if them have to work like really hard to maintain the riches, because you know you have to keep one step ahead of things, or is it at this point? Alright, new money different from people who have money, you know. Yeah. You don't have to say they have money, you say they have money, right? So new money people, stinking rich. Yeah. New money people, I guess at any given time the money can just in the blink of an eye, yeah, because they probably just all hold one couple millions. You know, rich. Me not consider somebody like with $2 million rich.
If you consider somebody with
$3-4 million, you're not rich. You're trying.
You're comfortable.
You're comfortable? Me could never have $3 million and say me comfortable.
No,
me that fret every day.
No, meaning comfortable meaning say your bills them go pay.
Oh, okay, that's what you mean. Yeah. But people who are rich with have money, they're the people that know. And them people don't wonder what them do at daytime, like on a day-to-day basis.
Like for a boy we have a $14 million not to remember saying.
No, them the man that's stinking rich. Cause if you can't forget $14 million, me know say me have 14 cents over NCD right now. Right now, me know how much they in there. Yeah. No, I said.
If you will break and come out.
Rally a road gear. Road animal. Road animal. The man know. Me and him just have a conversation. If he would live in Kingston, and he must say why would I live at Kingston? Me know say really can't live at Kingston. Me know in myself say to enough him. One, traffic. Really don't like traffic none at all. You know, like they in our country. Really is a patient person when he's not sitting behind the wheel. Right? Outside of the car, he's a patient person. He's a but you see, when he goes on the seat belt, I want different somebody turning. Come on, know who this. Me don't know who this.
No, sure, stop this.
You cuss everybody on the road. Everybody you cuss on the road, really. Everybody. Nobody know.
You like the on green.
You know what I want to cuss about too? Him always feel like I want a woman to drive one car where do foolishness. Take it truth. 70% of the time. No, I don't always. No for the time my man them and do foolishness. But he cannot say yeah. What you man them? Always I say, I'm to the woman them man. I don't know woman. Just a burn me. You want some water?
What?
Yeah man, but my always on the man like rich people really I don't know. Are they in meetings? Are they calling up their shareholders to check on the different properties, XYZ places? Yes? Are they going out to get wax and tan? No, not tan because we're black and coats. But you know what I mean? Are they going out to get wax? Are they going shopping? We look for a new car, so they want a new yacht. I don't know. Are they saying let's go to Italy for summer break? What are the kids doing this summer? You know them people there. Why I'm not lying. I wish I'm comfortable in a life. I just want rich. More rich, you know. But if I'm not rich, more comfortable. Yes.
If you're not stinking rich.
If you're not stinking rich, new money, Gucci this and that. I joke. I would never be that new money. I would never be that kind of new money. But if I'm not rich, but I want to be comfortable where I know say certain things I don't have to worry about. Yeah. Yeah. Simple things you don't have to worry about.
Like you like bill for pay.
Yes, and you don't have to think two times. You just pay that.
Swipe your card and you don't have to think if it's
yes. And when we got price match, you don't have to hold on for me and say, come on, Vanessa, man. No, you just buy things, you just do what you do, and you don't have to worry yourself. Yeah, I love that. I love that life. And I'm praying that, you know, we get there, we're comfortable. Like all people who have money now, in our situation right now. They don't worry, you know, then just fly out down to Miami or wherever place. You know?
Why you don't worry?
They don't worry. They don't worry. For them people don't have to worry about this and that. They just fly out down to Miami or whatever. Only thing they have to do, I go and pray. Say whatever treatment they have to work. But they don't worry upon the day to day. Definitely don't. Guys, me definitely need a car mount because my hand tired. Me hand tired. This is where the car chronicles ends. Because I can't hold up no more.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Money boss! His puppy show was a couple. Are you slow down? Oh god. Because you're not Indian.
Yeah?
You're not Indian, you know? So
no, I'm part Indian.
you're part Indian.
Yeah.
This is chemo here.
Yeah, fully computer now.
Chemo here this year. When the chemo done, you get back bad again.
Yeah. So,
real niggas stand up in it.
me watch on TikTok, right? One lady, she did have cancer too when she done. I hear this straight before, right? But when she done her chemo, so she get better.
Curly?
Yeah. Same one guy to India. Yeah. India been a put in the liquid.
Cause them say, I think them say when you get the stem cell, you change you can change your thing. But
So I think that happened to me.
I could hear you already.
No, you see then they say you can either change your hair color or you can change
The skin color.
The skin
Texture.
color or the texture of your hair.
Ajay, it's a drop out. You sure you don't want to go through me? It's a drop out.
Me can't find me so me don't want to cut you off yet.
It's a drop right out.
Me can't find me Naruto.
Thing.
Yeah.
How many see it at the end and I take it up? Bro.
If me didn't know what to do now.
You see up in the top not so bad. But round the side them,
at least it a drop out in a style.
that me say at least it a drop out in a style.
So me not fully
Not
get
so
no
bad.
fresh cut. Me not fully get no cut on the side and the side alright.
See it? It a drop out.
You saw the third session?
Yeah. But it's okay, man. You're still handsome. Look at your sweet face.
Yeah.
Sweet face.
That means me sitting there gonna drop off to my eyelash them.
Yeah. But I look at you, say you're good looking.
I look like one egg. I look like one brown egg.
Not a brown egg. The mouth looks so though.
Oh.
Burn up.
Burn up where?
Your lip then.
The lip? No, where it is so? Where it is so they have burn panny. Not burn,
That's what I
but
tell you,
it's...
say your hand them and your foot them look darker to me. And look where look on your neck. Yeah, them look darker. All of your knuckles them. They look very... And your foot, this which way you get the chemo burn by your foot? They also look very dark.
Yeah.
And your neck. Your neck look like when you do radiation. Look very dark. See how much about to cut there, so?
Yeah.
Can't hardly see it, I look very dark. Look like you get burned.
I love it. I guess I want to side effect them still, cause not no touch more with a burn.
Yeah.
And the burn
eye.
Yeah, and I need my eye.
I look dark.
Yeah. Just
How
want
you
to
feel?
feel better. But last week after I done get chemo.
Yeah. Last week was a rough time. Yeah. Just go and push through, yeah. Come and go and brush out your side, bro. That's a drop out. Bro. You have to just trim me and done, man. Yeah, keep it 2 more weeks and then trim me.
Yeah.
Like a patch out, in a sense.
Yeah.
Ready. Say yay! Ready donkey. Say I ready donkey. S's. Ready donkey. I'm ready. Up. Come. You're not a light fella, man. It's well on. You know what? Yeah, well on. It's well on. I might jump off. It's well on. Oh man. Can you give mommy kisses? Give mommy kisses. Look how your chima look cute. Give mommy some more sugar. Give mommy one more. Wow. Who love Ace? See? Mommy? Ace love mommy? We're going. Yeah. Can you give me a high five? Yeah. Give me a fist bump. Fist bump. What you say I know?
Show you my recent
drawings. Okay. Let's do this, man. Yes, did you have fun today? Huh? You go to the bar with Daddy? Was it fun? Huh? You went to see Uncle Mickey? That's so funny, like Mickey Mouse.
Uncle Mickey say.
But Uncle Mickey not treat me good at all.
He say, if you say feel like AC
Alright, what did you draw today?
Let me show you the recent ones first so you don't see.
Okay.
So this is me. This was based off of
so you start signing them now?
Yeah, we start signing them.
Okay. I guess we're not gonna post it because we don't want people to take your artwork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start them with the dates them from it now, so see? April 10th, 2020.
But I already see them one year already.
You see?
Yes. I just what you that draw this week wouldn't see.
April 10th. This
Yesterday.
No.
Sunday. Oh, okay. I think we said that already though.
Sunday.
Oh, yeah, Sunday, April. No, yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah, no, yesterday was 11.
So Sunday.
Monday then.
Monday then, yeah. Monday. So this on me. You see? This was based off my birthday. The birthday photos that I took.
Oh.
Very excited.
Well, I stand up, let me smell the bottom.
And I'm quite proud of this one.
Fresh. Not doo-doo at all. Not doo-doo at all, say doo-doo. We can't wait till you can say doo-doo.
This one is the one that I drew today. April 12th, like not too long ago.
Okay, what's up with the highs?
It's a Mars. It's a Mars actually. It's a superhero named Sparrow.
Sparrow. Guys,
it's a part of the Bat family.
Soon and very soon, Reggie will start having animations on your TV, okay? Okay?
Yeah. I will start animating for like Nike and Adidas.
You want to do animation for Nike and Adidas?
Yes, I want to do animation.
Okay.
Drawing.
That's awesome. I love that.
And then I can start selling NFTs.
What's NFT?
No, just one time they just go for one video on YouTube and then see somebody and make an NFT with drawing, right? And it's like a monkey.
I don't know what that is.
It's basically drawings that you sell.
Okay.
So
you'll be making NFTs soon.
Yes.
Awesome.
And then from there,
can I collect royalties?
We can split it 90. We can split it 50-50.
What? 50-50?
Yes, so if we make $100, you can get $50.
Okay.
You can get 50.
Alright, yeah, because that's like my momager's fee.
Yes, and then with the money we are saved to build up, right? We are going a treat, you know.
Treat? Yes, mommy. Treat.
Yeah.
Love that. After love that. Thank you very much, Reggie. I really appreciate you. Yeah.
Alright, yes, Grandma.
Right, guys, dinner time. Dinner time. Yes. So some curry lentil and bami. Is you eat some. You have to eat some. Thank you. Thank you so much. If only you would feed yourself. If only you would feed yourself. God.